Not how long, but how well you have lived is the main thing. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Life is what happens when you are busy making other plans. Get busy living or get busy dying. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to the people or things. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Money and success don't change people. They merely amplify what is already there. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. The whole secret of successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do and then do it. In order to write about life, first you must live it. The big lesson in life, baby, is never be scared of anyone or anything. Curiosity about life in all of its aspects, I think, is still the secret of great creative people. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. The unexamined life is not worth living. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Do all good you can, for all people you can, in all the way you can, as long as you can. Don't settle for what life gives you. Make life better and build something. Everybody wants to be famous, but nobody wants to do the work. I live by that. You grind hard so you can play hard. At the end of the day, you put all the work in and eventually it will pay off. It could be a year, it could be in 30 years. Eventually your work hard will pay off. Everything negative, pressure, challenges is all an opportunity for me to rise. I like criticism, it makes you strong. You never really learn much from hearing yourself speak. Life imposes things on you and that you can't control, but you still have the choice of how you are going to live through this. Life is never easy. There are work to be done and obligation to be met. Obligation to truth, to justice, and to liberty. Live for each second without hesitation. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Life is really simple, but men insist on making it complicated. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I have learned about life. It goes on. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you respond to it. Keep smiling because life is a beautiful thing and there is so much to smile about it. Life is what we make it, always has been, always will be. Life is about making an impact, not making an income.